this project, we were going to use 550 paracords, 1 meter in length, gray color, and purple one. A 15 buckles, and of course lighter and our scissors. Now let's get started. First, we have to hit the two edges of these two cords, and then we were going to join it together. Just like that. Be careful, a little bit hot. Now we're going to make a loop, and then we were going to insert on one portion of the buckle on the top, insert on the loop, and then pull it out. And then the other portion of the buckle. Every color of the cord must be aligned on its sides from the top and then the same thing with the gray one. Make sure that our cord is not twisted so that we can easily weave it later on. So now we're going to open it, then we're going to see how long we're going to make. So in this bracelet, I just follow my old bracelet length. This length is about 7.5 inches. So I'm going to just follow the length of that old bracelet. You measure it from the portion of the male buckles just here, and then from the bottom of the female buckles. So now purple cords from your right side and then the gray from your left side. First is over the center cords of the purple one, and the gray one over the purple, then under the center cord, and then back over from the center cord. Now start from the purple one over the gray, under to our center cords, that's it, twice, make it twice, and then we're going to start one on the gray from the left side over the center cords, and then the purple one over the gray, and then under. And then wrap it back over the center cords, the purple one, and then the gray one will be over the purple and then it's already twice, and now we're going to start from the right side, the purple one, back over the center cords. That's it. It's only do it repeatedly until we're going to reach to the another edge of the buckle. So just like that, it's just an easy design. Everyone can do it with patience. Just make it a little bit tight, not too tight. So that we can make a nice and balanced waving in this kind of bracelet. Now we're almost there, and for now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make closure knot for this. The same procedure for this weaving, but the only thing is we're just going to make a knot that we're going to lock our cords. So for the last weave of the last cord, just make it loose so that we can insert also the other cord, just like that. Show you from behind, and then just pull it tight. Simple as that. Now we're almost done, and all we have to do now is to cut the excess cords that we have. Cut it not too close, just leave a bit for and then we're going to melt using our lighter. Just heat up, and then press. Now it's locked. Same thing with the other cord. So guys, please support my channel. If you're new, please hit like, subscribe, and share my videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell for many more videos and more bracelet design that I will going to make for you guys. Stay tuned, stay safe, and God bless. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.